We want to explore our careers, and by now you should have completed the CareerFitter Work Personality Assessment. And step 2, you should have completed the Aptitude Aversion Assessment. I highly recommend you calculate your fit score. You can see your careers, but you really want to see your fit score number next to each career. And then this only takes about a minute. And then I recommend looking at your personality strengths report. And now we're ready to explore our careers. So anytime you want to jump to this section, look for the briefcase icon and it jumps us right there. The automatic default is going to be the careers that are recommended to you based upon your personality assessment and the aptitude aversion assessment. And it's set to hide the A3 answers that were strong conflicts with careers. Let's just eliminate them. If you're told you should be a doctor, but you're afraid of needles, there's no way that you want to be a doctor. And that's what this part of the A3 does. Now I'm going to set it to my preferences based upon what is most important to me. I have a bachelor's degree, but I'm willing to look at all careers under that just to see what it recommends. As far as growth goes, I'm okay with a career that's growing as fast as average, all the way up to much faster than average. So I'm going to include that in my filter as well. I really don't care right now about recession resistant or work from home careers, but both of those will narrow this down even further. So now I have my list of careers. I can sort by clicking the header. Fit score, it'll sort by highest fit score. I can sort by salary, education, or growth. If we click fit score and you see that it says NA, it means there wasn't enough data about this career to have characteristic requirements that could be compared against you, so there is no fit score. There are a few like that. If you see an arrow like this where the fit score is, it means this is a head career for a career cluster. In other words, if you click on this career, you're going to see sub-careers underneath it that all fit this category, and those should have your fit score in it. But right now, I want to take a look at the careers that fit me best with the highest fit score, and we're going to start right here with the highest paid one. I see that the 56 fit score compared to the other fit scores is pretty high. This means that my characteristic strengths compared to the characteristic requirements of this career is pretty high. And I'm going to take a quick overview of the salary, the education, the outlook. I could watch a video in the day in the life of this career, read a little bit about this career and what it's like. And now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see my personality strengths compared to people who currently work in this career and what they say it requires as far as job characteristics, including the percentage of importance of that. I fit a lot of these. If I see a blank area, it doesn't mean I don't have any strengths in that. It just means it's either average or it's probably less, or maybe it's something that you've overcome. I'm really not looking for a career in leadership. It doesn't really fit my personality. But would I be willing to do that? That's a possibility. If it is, save this career by clicking the heart up here and go and explore the other careers. But for the sake of details, let's just take a look at everything in here. Scroll down and compare your characteristic strengths in the star column to the requirements of this career. Look for your aptitude aversion warnings. Anything in black is saying this could be something that could be a conflict with you based upon my answers. If it's orange, that is definitely something you should consider not, a career you should consider not having. There are all the sections up here at the top you can jump to. I like getting started showing me the type of education people have on average. 46% have bachelor's degree, 21 have master's degrees. This shows you what you're up against when you want to get hired. A little more information about how to get started in there. You could even scroll further into similar occupations and click on and see your fit score for these. A feature that CareerFitter has that is very unique and really valuable, even if you're not looking to get hired at a job right now, is this who's hiring. It is in every single career, and what it does is it presets the search for you so you can see in your zip code within the radius that you choose companies that are actually hiring in this career or similar careers. Even if you're not looking to get hired, This is what it's all about someday. And it's nice to kind of see where the rubber meets the road and companies that are actually hiring. If you are looking for a job, you could click on this and actually apply right now online for that career. So every career that you like, you're adding into your favorites. You go back to your dashboard and you continue to go through these careers, learning about them, saving them in your favorites. If you see one that you know what, I think I might want to be a financial manager, you can click it and save it in your favorites right there. Then at the end of your search or your exploration of all the details of the careers, reset your filter and filter only by my favorites, and it's going to narrow it down to the ones that are your final pick. And you can open these up and explore them in more detail. I wish you the best success in your career search.